I'm here at the Metreon in San Francisco, and this is the Bebop 2, the follow-up to Parrot's popular first Bebop. The new Bebop is faster, flies longer, and offers some improvements in the connectivity, which was one of the chief complaints in The Verge's review of the original version. Curiously, there weren't major improvements to the camera. It's still a 14 megapixel fisheye lens that tops out at 1080p resolution. Notably, they didn't jump up to 4K video, but it's harder to say how much better the connectivity really is since we only had a few minutes to try it indoors today. Parrot emphasizes that it's easy to use with controls packed into an app for iOS or Android devices. Takeoff and landing just requires the press of a button, but navigating itself was a little tricky until I got the hang of it. Parrot emphasized that they eliminated weight and moving parts by leaning on software to do the hard work, notably including image stabilization. Some filmmakers, however, would question the suggestion that software can achieve the same smooth footage effects as a gimbal, which is what competing drones like the DJI Phantom series rely on. The camera also remains on the nose of the drone, a potentially dangerous placement for an aircraft that regularly crashes into walls and trees. It's going to be available on December 14th, starting at $549.99 or $799.99 with a flight controller that extends its range. But until reviewers get more flight time, it's hard to say just how much better the new Bebop really is.